Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to add a PDF document to ChatGPT. But before that, there is no such thing. So I will be teaching you a step-by-step guide in order for you to convert your PDF file into Word so that you could be able to paste it to a ChatGPT website. Okay, so now the first thing that you need to do is to download this app. Okay, I will show you the name. This Cam Scanner PDF Scanner app. So this is just a free app. So after downloading this application, you just have to click on open to start the app. Okay. Now just click on import files and then choose the document or the PDF that you want to convert into Word. Okay, for example, this one. Now click on import files. Then wait for it to process. So right after that, just click on the file that you have just added to the application. Okay, now scroll down and then click on one of the pages from your file and then click on extract text. Okay, this method will be able to scan your PDF document into Word. So as you can see this one. So after that, just click on copy. Okay, right after you copied the text, just go back to ChatGPT website and then paste the file or the text from the application. And that's it. That's the best thing that you can do in order for you to convert a PDF file to paste it to GPT website. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.